Christmas is almost here. Thanksgiving just ended, but before you know it, you'll have Christmas dinner. And typically, our community loves having amazing bread to share with their loved ones around these special moments. The holidays can be very busy at Proof, and oftentimes people want to buy in bulk for their families. They want 6 of our morning buns or 6 pain au chocolat to share with their friends and family around special occasions. We also have particular products around the holidays that aren't always made, like our beautiful centerpiece sourdoughs, which we're making this year for Christmas. For these reasons, our community should place pre-orders. Our pre-orders are live right now through December 15th. You can go on our website and reserve the products for December 23rd this year that you want to share with your friends and family around your tables. By placing a pre-order, you're able to guarantee that we make enough product for not only you, but for everybody else that helps us plan in this way. It's hugely helpful for us, and it's great for you as well, because we don't always know how many people are going to flood through our doors around these special moments. It's always a lot more people than come in on a regular Monday, let's say. In fact, many times the amount, but it's hard for us to predict. Is it 2 times the amount, 3 times the amount? And so we do our best to guess, and inevitably somebody comes in without having a pre-order and doesn't get the item that they wanted. This last Thanksgiving was a great example. Everybody wants brioche rolls around their Thanksgiving table, and we made a huge amount, 6,000 or so that we made. Many of those were reserved on pre-order, and we used last year's sales information to figure out how many we would sell in addition. Well, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving arrived, and despite our best efforts, the actual brioche rolls that weren't reserved on pre-order were sold out within 30 minutes of us opening the doors. We were really disappointed in this result, actually, for ourselves, that we got it so wrong. But we actually produced the amount that we produced last year, in addition to pre-orders that took all the way till 1 p.m. to sell, plus the growth rate of our company for the year. So we thought we made enough, and it turned out that it wasn't anywhere near enough at all. And thus, if you had wanted brioche rolls around Thanksgiving, you should have placed a pre-order. And that's the same message for Christmas. So help us out and help yourself out. Go online to proofbread.com. Get it done now, because as you know, at this time of year, there's a lot of little chores, all the lists coming in from your family members of gifts to buy and things like that. Just get this one out of the way and help us and yourselves plan for your holiday tables. Place a pre-order before December 15th.